People all over are talking about the hearing, whether it's on social media, at workplaces, or in diners. And it's sparking plenty of debate locally. Our Roslyn Flaherty joins us now live with more. Roslyn?
Anna, the owner of a local diner says it's what everyone was talking about this morning. Meanwhile, a local attorney says the hearing was bizarre. It was the talk over coffee this morning at Brody's Diner in Shrewsbury. Friends Ron Bertelli and Roland Carlson were among the millions of Americans watching the testimony of Dr. Christine Blasey Ford and Supreme Court nominee Judge Brett Kavanaugh.
She was such a true and dedicated and honest lady, and then you had this judge who's an experienced person in the law field, and he's jumping all over her.
He came out swinging. He was really mad, and he really presented himself well.
During Thursday's hearing, Dr. Ford recounted an alleged incident from the early 1980s. She says Kavanaugh sexually assaulted her at a party where drinking was involved. Kavanaugh denies the claim and says he wasn't at the party described by Ford.
I tried to yell for help. When I did, Brett put his hand over my mouth.
I wanted a hearing the day after the allegation came up. I wanted to be here that day.
This individual is putting herself through and talking about being terrorized is really significant.
The hearing's bringing out different opinions. Bertelli and Carlson say they can see both sides.
Nobody wins, you know, but what happens is somebody's not telling the truth.
She probably did had trouble with sexual encounters, but I think she's got the naming people wrong.
Attorney Kevin Larson says the hearing was bizarre, saying it was unlike anything you would see in a criminal courtroom.
Basically, it was just a hearing. They sort of gummed it up by having a prosecutor ask questions, which was weird because the prosecutor only asked questions to the victim, when in a normal trial, the prosecutor wouldn't be cross-examining the victim.
He supports an FBI investigation and says the way it was handled was a disservice to the American people.
I don't think it really accomplished anything other than it was a complete sideshow for political reasons. It certainly wasn't anything like we would have in a real criminal trial, and for that reason I don't think it was really fair to either person.
Now, Senate Republicans did agree to delay the final vote on Judge Kavanaugh to allow the FBI to investigate more. Roslyn Flaherty, Worcester News Tonight.